Hello everybody. Today I just want to share my experience with my tangerine trees. So it's you can see it is end of the November almost, and it's after Thanksgiving days. So happy Thanksgiving first of all, and then I just want to show you my tangerine fruits. This tree, well, I have it for almost 3 years, and every year it give me some flowers, but because of the uh, heavy hail or heavy rain, it lost all those blooms. But this year, by the chance, we have some fruits, and you can see with that fruit still on it. So today I want to take them out because and then keep the tree in my garage, for winter. As you know, we live in Texas, Arlington, Texas. So this year, by the chance, we have good weathers, not that much cold, but I want to keep it from freezing, so I will bring them in. So other trees is beside that is that tree. It's lemon, sour lemon is really good. Sour lemon every year it give us fruit, but this not this year. This year we didn't have a chance for that fruit. Also, those I plant the seed of some orange, uh, oranges, and also lemon. But those three I bought it as a tree. So I will just want to share this experience to having fruit with that tangerine trees in the Dallas, actually Arlington, Texas. I hope you enjoy that experience, and then also hope to enjoy your Thanksgiving day. God bless you guys. Have a great day.